Alright folks, Will at LR Workshop. Whilst I was rooting around in the 300 TDI Rest of the World spec graveyard, I was coming across lots of little clips on the bulkheads, which are always really hard to identify on diagrams because they don't actually look necessarily like they're supposed to in the diagram, and they're not in the position that you would expect to find them. So being able to see bulkheads like this as they came from the factory is a real goldmine of information. So I've put together a few clips here and a few part numbers that may be useful for you if you're interested in replacing these parts or rebuilding your Defender in the future. A lot of these will be applicable to TD5s as well. These bulkheads are specifically left-hand drive, so there may be a few differences. Hope you find it useful.
Earth strap. So it's difficult to find out which earth straps a vehicle should have had from the factory. So this will be a probably 2002 to 2005 vehicle. It's good to know. Clutch pipe, so left-hand drive, they've got this big old fat clutch pipe that goes up here, along, back around there. And this is it, all bent and mangled. These aren't cheap. I think we'll have that. We'll have that. That's how it all clips together. These plastic clips on the studs. There's proof that the heater matrix on these later Defenders, this is 2005, is plastic. Look at that, snapped off. Yeah, February 2005. That's an interesting brake clip. This is one of the three-way ones. I think this is holding on to two brake pipes that would have come over here on the bulkhead. Yeah, let's see if I can get that off. Yes, there we go. So good to be able to see these in the bloody diagrams and you have no clue. You Google the part number, you have no clue what they are, but now I know and I can put it on LR Workshop. So 2002 Defender. There's this interesting clip here on a brake pipe on there. This is on the 2005 bulkhead. Clip there for the brake pipes. Take that off. What's we got on here? This one's too mashed up to get a wiring loom out of. Yeah. That's the inside of a brake servo.